If you're shopping for a new computer in 2025 and trying to decide between HP, Dell, and Lenovo, you're in good company. These three brands dominate the market, each with its own strengths. Here's a breakdown of how they compare in terms of market position, strengths, and which one might be best for you. Brand overview and market presence. In 2025, HP continues to lead in overall unit sales, particularly in the budget to mid-range segment, making it one of the most accessible and versatile brands. Lenovo remains a favorite among business professionals for its reliability and long-term durability, while Dell continues to excel in the premium market, offering sleek, high-performance laptops with outstanding after-sales service. HP, broad lineup, strong value. HP stands out for offering a wide variety of computers, from affordable everyday laptops to high-end convertibles and gaming systems. It's a great choice for users who want solid performance at a reasonable price. However, build quality can vary depending on the model, so it's best to choose from the higher-end lines like Spectre or Envy if you want a more premium experience. Overall, HP offers excellent value and versatility for students, home users, and general professionals. Lenovo, reliability and business veteran. Lenovo has built a strong reputation for creating reliable and durable laptops, especially with its ThinkPad and IdeaPad series. The brand's focus on sturdy build quality, comfortable keyboards, and practical performance makes it a go-to for business users and anyone who values longevity. Lenovo devices tend to hold up well over years of use, and their designs often prioritize function over flashiness, perfect for productivity and dependability. Dell, premium quality and service-oriented. Dell remains a top choice for professionals and creatives who want performance, sleek design, and excellent customer support. Its XPS lineup is among the most respected in the ultrabook category, delivering strong performance and stunning displays. Dell also offers solid options for businesses with its Latitude and Precision lines. While prices can be higher compared to HP or Lenovo, the build quality and service make Dell a great option for those who want reliability and polish. So which is best for you? If you're after value and flexibility, HP is a solid choice, offering plenty of options for different budgets and needs. If you prioritize durability, reliability, and long-term use, Lenovo is hard to beat. If you want premium design, performance, and customer support, Dell is the way to go. Final verdict: there's no single best brand. It all depends on what matters most to you. For most users, Lenovo ranks first for overall reliability, HP follows closely for versatility and value, and Dell stands out for premium experience and after-sales care. Each of these brands brings something great to the table. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more tech comparisons, and comment below which computer brand you trust the most in 2025.